Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be learning about how to change your password in Crunchyroll app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is scroll through your homepage and simply tap open your Crunchyroll app. So once you tap open your Crunchyroll app, it will take some time to boot itself up. Then we'll redirect you to its homepage. So once it is completely booted, you will end up in this kind of page where you need to simply press on the account option. Now, after pressing on account, simply choose on change password and press your current password. After you are done typing in your current password, then move to your new password option. So once you have filled both the credentials, all you need to do is confirm your new password again. For this, you need to retype your new password again and simply press on the change password. So after you are done, your password will be changed in your Crunchyroll app. So this is how you change password in Crunchyroll. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.